So first we have number 1. So we're finding out whether it's in simplest form or not. So 2/4. So we know that 2 can be divided by 2 and 4 can be divided by 2 also. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now we know that this can't be divided more to be changed. Let's look at number 4. So here it's 9 over 21. So we know that 9 can be divisible by 3 and 21 can also be divisible by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 21 divided by 3 is 7. And now we know that 3 can't be divided by 3. 3 can be divided by 3, but that's only 1, and 7 can't be divided by 3 to get a whole number, to get a fraction. So this is in simplest form. Let's look at number 1 here. So 45 times 16. So it's double digits, so we're going to write it 45 times 16. So with the first digit first, 5 times 6 is 30. We add the 3 here. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus that 3 is 27. We add a 0 here. 5, and then now we move on to this second digit, because when we move on to the second digit, we have to add a 0. So 5 times 1 is 5, and 4 times 1 is 4. So this is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12, so we add the 1 here. 2 plus 4 is 6, and plus that 1 is 7. So 45 times 16 is 720. Then let's look at number 8. So this is 12 times 18. So for that, we do 2 times 8, which is 16. We add the 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. We move on to the second digit, but for that we need to add a 0. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And we add a 0 here just to know that there's nothing there. So this is a 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. We add the 1 here. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 1 plus that 1 is 2. So this would be 216. On the next page, let's look at number 1. So number 1 is 245 plus 123. So we know that 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So this would be 368. Let's look at number 5. 632 plus 189. So we know that 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 here, and the other one goes here. 3 plus 8 is also 11, plus that 1, which is 12. So we add another 1 here. And 6 plus 1 is 7, plus that 1. So that would be 8. So this is 821. Okay, let's look at the word problems. So, let's read all of them first, and then let's see which one we want to do. So Jane gave some students 4 candies each. She then had 8 candies left. How many students received candies from Jane if she had 84 candies at first? So she had 84 at first, and she gave 4 candies to some students each. So first we would have to divide 84 by 4. So 84 divided by 4 is 4 times, let's see, 2, and that's 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. So she gave 4 candies each to 21 students. Let's look at number 4. Jimmy and Lewis picked up a total of 30 cans. For every 2 cans that Jimmy picked up, Lewis picked up 3 cans. How many cans did each boy pick up? So we know that both of them, they picked up a total of 30. So we can divide that by by the number of cans each of them picked up at a time. So 30 divided by 2. So 30 divided by 2. So this is 1. We know 1 goes into 3 2 times. This is also 1. And this, we bring down the 0. So we know 2 times 5 is 10. So we know that Jimmy picked up a total of 15 cans. Jimmy fifteen cans. And when we divide Lewis's cans, 3, by 30, we know that 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 30 has a 0, so we can just add that 0 to the 1. So that means Lewis picked up 10. Lewis actually picked up 10 cans. And here, Jane received candies from 21 students.